In today's video, we will show you an example of using MECHA's starting position creatively. The starting position refers to the position of the upper rail when launching a preset, and it can be parked, level, or raised. Let's create a preset using the MECHA User Interface. Since the position of our upper rail is level, we can use the L button to inform MECHA about that. Select the Scripted option from the list, if it isn't already selected, and enter your script. First, specify the starting position. We will use SL, level, in our example, followed by a row consisting of 8 positions, no zenith or nadir positions. As you know, a preset script takes priority over equivalent preset settings. When saving a preset, remember that you can enter a power code before the preset name, which allows you to launch it using the MECHA's buttons. For codes in the range of 020 to 089, the preset can be launched from the OLED preset menu on the C2 controller. We will use the code 021, as we are using a C2 controller, and this option is currently empty in our OLED preset menu. To launch a preset, simply select it, then press the center button. You are now prompted to position the upper rail as required. If it is correctly positioned, confirm by pressing the center button. No creativity so far. But what if you want to shoot a row at an angle below or above horizontal, using the same preset? In that case, rotate the upper rail as needed and then launch the preset again. By pressing the power button, you can check the battery level and also perform simple rotations. Press the power button again to exit, then launch the preset as usual. Now, instead of positioning the upper rail to be level as required, we will simply confirm that the position is correct, even if it is not. We can do this, as MECHA does not know the rail position, but we request that you test any preset without a camera mounted first. Similarly, for a tilt above the horizontal, and, in fact, for any tilt, position the upper rail as needed, then launch the preset. This method of using the starting position allows you to shoot multi-row spherical panoramas, as well as extra rows. For example, you may need an extra row to capture a moving object within the same row to avoid stitching errors. Instead of creating the preset on the MECHA User Interface, C2 users can create it on the OLED preset menu. Change the number of shots using the plus and minus buttons. Similarly, find the No Zeniths and Nadirs option. Press the center button to save the preset if no other changes are needed. Alternatively, you can use a factory preset in some cases, such as Panorama Test Single 6. Note that MECHA simply executes factory presets without prompting you to adjust the upper rail position. This simplifies preset execution, but requires more user attention in return. The upper rail is not level in our example, as it should be. However, MECHA executes the preset as if the rail were level and without asking us to adjust its position. We have hoped this simple example will encourage you to be more creative when using MECHA. Thank you for watching.